Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we have here the Motorola G Stylus. On this video I will be showing you how to remove the back cover, how to basically open this phone in case you need to replace any component or broken battery, broken charging port or anything else that goes wrong with this phone. So we're gonna start by applying some heat. Be gentle with the heat because the back of this phone is made out of plastic, so if you apply too much heat it could melt the whole back, so just be careful on that. Apply a gentle heat with your heat gun and it will come out just fine. So let's keep going with the heat. You go crazy with the heat, that thing is gonna get... I'm going to use my razor blade just to make a little gap that will allow me to use my playing card and make this job a lot easier to complete. You can get away with this even without a playing card, but I'm gonna just do it like that, just for the purpose of this video, because that's the easiest way I found to remove these back glasses. So you see, if you want to know what heat does to plastic, look, that's what it does. You see how it melted? So that's why if you use a heat gun like this, you gotta go like far away and just warm this up, just warm it up, because you see how it melt my playing card. You don't want to do that to the back cover of this phone, so be gentle. Okay, there we go. Just gonna be playing around here. Remember, it's plastic. You can't crack it, but definitely you can do some damage. We have a fingerprint. Let's just be careful. If you follow along this video, just be careful. Yeah, it is a fingerprint, so you know we gotta be careful. Okay, we have a cable in there. We have a cable. All right, we're gonna go around the camera right here, which it has a stronger glue here by the camera. So if you're watching this video, just be advised, on this side it's gonna be a little harder. So we're already some minutes into this video and we haven't even cracked this phone open. I'm surprised. Yeah, I have like double side very strong taping here. Let me help myself with this one. All right, we're doing some progress. Remember, don't just pull this back. Don't pull it, because there is a cable attached to this. We just gotta split this this back from the phone itself, because wow, it has some very strong adhesive in here. Alright, I think we're doing some progress. Finally, you see? That's how it's gonna look. Looks pretty bad, but that's how the glue is on this phone. Okay, so you guys can see I already lift, you see, without any damage. That's how you basically remove the back. But as you guys can see right here, we are working against some cable in there. We're gonna push this down, maybe heat it up a little bit. Come on guys, you gotta get this repaired done. You can't wait no time. Can't waste it. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna just push it in. You see? Push it in after you heat it up. After you heat this a little bit, and it's gonna come out. The fingerprint scanner is held to the back cover just by double side tape, and that's how you remove the back cover on the Motorola Stylus. You have to follow this tutorial to remove the back cover so you can start to fix whatever you want to fix inside this phone, like the battery, charging port. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna leave it here so you guys can learn how to do this process, and as always, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.